What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick and it's been a little while since I posted a video. Today I'm going to kind of share with you the little glitch that has been going on within eBay this past week, as well as what I've been selling for the past 2 months that I've been going hard at eBay and Mercari. So without further ado, let's jump into this. All right, so if you're not already aware, about a week ago, a glitch sort of started happening on eBay's app where you would click on something that you're selling and it's showing you that no one has seen what you are trying to sell. And this has been very frustrating, very irritating that we can't see how many people are viewing our posts. I've watched a lot of videos about this glitch. I've talked to a lot of, bigger sellers, bigger than myself, because I'm not really a big seller yet. And it appears that this is just a glitch in the reporting or like the analytics or algorithm or something. You're still getting views. If you're selling on eBay, you are still getting views. The reason I know this to be so is because yesterday, the day before that, like the past 6 days that this has been going on, I have been making sales. One item that I sold, it was a used, but still in the box, like gently used, Philips brand DVD, portable DVD player set. Like what you put in your car for your kids to watch DVDs on the road. I bought it for $5 at a garage sale, and I sold it for $85. I listed it, and it sold within 1 minute. I did $85, free shipping. It cost me 18 bucks shipping on that, but I wanted to move this piece fast. That sold within 1 minute. So I know that it got views, whether it just got the one view from the person that bought it, or if it got tons of views, I don't know. But they are getting views, even though it says that they are not. So do not worry, do not fret. Is it frustrating and irritating that we can't see how many views? Yes, totally. But don't worry about it, it's all good. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna just show you sort of what I have been selling for the past 2 months since I started my 6-figure challenge, the 100K in 9 months. The goal is to make $100,000 in net profit from April 1st through December 31st. That is after revenue, after fees are paid out, after shipping, after we take a portion to reinvest to buy stuff, like after all of that. The goal is to make $100,000 in net profit, what I will take home to pay myself and my family. The goal is 6 figures in 9 months. Is it possible? Yes. Is it doable? Totally. Is it difficult? 100%. You have to stay on your game. You have to work week over week, constantly growing, expanding, finding new places, sourcing new products, staying really ahead of the curve in order to make it. Anyways, I wish I had thought of this earlier, but I started a new eBay account. I wanted to show you guys that you can do this from scratch, from April 1st through December 31st. And I wish I would have started my new eBay account sooner. I started it on April 24th or April 20th or something. Made my first sale on the new account on April 25th. I wish I would have started on April 1st for the actual eBay account, whatever. It's what it is, I guess. So real quick, also, the 2 platforms I'm selling on are Mercari and eBay. Those are what I'm really focusing on. I'm about to pick up Poshmark and sell clothing on there because I score some excellent clothing at Goodwill and the thrift stores and that sort of thing. So real quick, let's see what I've been selling for the past 2 months. Okay, so these are listed in order of date, oldest to newest. This first item sold on April 25th. It's Minecraft, $7. I don't know if I guess I charged shipping with this. So let's just go real quick. Minecraft, Sonic, Ultimate Genesis Collection, Fallout 3, Forza, Lego Marvel Superheroes, Need for Speed. This vintage Echo Harp harmonica sold for $39. A couple books. President Obama's second inauguration brass coin for 20 bucks. That was an auction. Most of the items I sell, I'm selling buy it now, but some things I do auctions. Puma men's black with silver slides, $23. I got these for $6 at Ross. Marvel Hasbro 2015 Avengers Incredible Hulk grip foam gloves, $12. I got them for $3.50 at Goodwill. Nike 2K Nike cleats, $34. Got them for $8 at Ross. Avatar, this book I got for 75 cents at a thrift store, sold it for $6.80. Go quick here. Disney Cinderella book, got it for $1.25, sold it for $12. This Kryptonics 32-inch mini diamond tail longboard, new, still had the wrapper on it, $45. Got it for $2 at a garage sale. My wife got that. Like, she bought a huge bundle of stuff and they gave her this for $2 because she was buying so much. This was something I just had laying around from back in the day when I used to have my little Mazda Miata. The suspension lowering coilover spring kit. It was in my attic. I totally forgot about it. I went up there one day, found it, sold it within a couple days, 45 bucks. I think it cost me probably 50 bucks years ago when I bought it, like literally 10 years ago when I bought this. And then I put it on my car, then I took it off my car and sold it for $45. Not bad. Another pair of foam gloves, bought these for $3 at a local independent thrift store, sold them for $12. Washington Capitals snapback, sold it for $8, bought it for $2. These right here, Wii Guitar Hero, like the Fender Stratocaster guitars. There's 2 of them. I bought them for $3 a piece at the local thrift store. This vintage oil painting, this actually sold within a matter of minutes. My wife got this from an estate sale. She got it for $1, sold it for $15, and it sold really fast. And so I'm thinking that I sold it way too low. Anyways, vintage American Cadet brass bugle, got it for 50 cents, sold it for $25. It was a piece of junk. Let me zoom in just a tad here so we can get a little bit better view. These shoes, got them for $3, $2. New Balance ladies running shoes, excellent condition. They were like new, sold them for $15. North Face jacket, $3 at the Goodwill, sold it for $25. What else is good on here? Got this bundle of Legos, 4 pounds, got it for $2, sold it for $15. What else is good? Funko Pop My Little Pony Discord vinyl 6-inch. It was actually like an 8-inch piece. Bought it for $1 at the Goodwill and sold it for $11. And then the Little Mermaid Disney Black Diamond Classic rare band cover art. If you know about the rare band cover art, you'll know. You'll just know. Can't talk about it on here because we don't want to get struck with, inappropriate talk. There we go. $9, I got it for 25 cents. These 2 VHS here, Aladdin and Beauty and the Beast, $5, got them for 25 cents each, no big deal. And then here we go, the Philips 9-inch dual widescreen portable DVD player screen system, sold it for $85, got it for $5. So that right there is my eBay sales. Let me see if I can swing over to Mercari. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a hard time remembering the prices on all of these, so bear with me. Men's Lucky Jeans had a tear in the seat. I got them for $4 at Goodwill. Sold them for $12 plus shipping. That Pirates hat, got that for 50 cents. Sold it for, I wanna say like $8. 3-pound lot of assorted Legos, $2 or $3. Sold it for 25. Duke Nukem video game. The video game's not doing very well. Finally, I can talk about these things because they don't sell anymore. They're no longer available at the store. I was buying these calligraphy masterclass kit sets and buying them for $5 at the store, Five Below, and then listing them on Mercari, selling them for $16 plus shipping, so $20 to the consumer, and making, a decent profit. Gold-plated commemorative Trump coin, West Virginia Mountaineer camouflage hat, like 12 bucks. Subaru WRX stock boost gauge. This was off my old Subaru WRX. This was sitting in the attic for years, and I sold it for $15. Camouflage backpack, LL Bean baby carrier. I got this for 30 bucks. Used it for a couple of years and then sold it for 30 bucks. No big deal. Bitcoin commemorative coin, got it for $1, sold it for $8. Another calligraphy masterclass kit. 4 working vintage cameras, sold that for 25 bucks. This tactical backpack, sold that for 50. Xbox 360, bought that for 25, sold it for 60. With no games. PlayStation 3 console and the game Blur, got this for $24 at the thrift store. My wife called me up one day and was like, hey, PlayStation 3 for $24, do you want it? I said, snatch that thing up quick. We listed it and sold it within a few hours for $95. Not bad. Superman bracelet, got it for 95 cents and sold it for $4. Bose Wave radio, got it for $10 at an auction and sold it for 90 bucks. Yeah, so that's sort of what I've been selling. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. I just wanted to show you sort of what I've been selling so that if you're interested in getting into reselling, or if you're currently a reseller, maybe some of these items can open up your eyes to new things that you might sell and make a good profit on. Remember, don't ever buy anything without checking comps first. That's dangerous. You're really just gambling at that point. And then if you find something that the comps are at least 3 times what you're buying that item for, that's a solid purchase right there. Go for it. With all that being said, I hope you liked this. If you did, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, give it a like. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Click that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.